Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to optimize Windows 11 for gaming and performance. So first we need to optimize the settings app. So click on Windows Start menu icon and search for settings app. Now open settings app, now click on notifications. Here you need to turn off notifications and now you need to select additional settings and make sure that these three options are unticked. Now you need to go back to system. Now you need to select nearby sharing and make sure nearby sharing is set to off. Now go back. Now you need to click on troubleshoot and make sure that troubleshooter preference is set to don't run any. It would be selected to ask me before running, but you have to select it to don't run any. Now you need to click on Bluetooth and devices tab. Here you need to click on mouse. Now you need to click on mouse pointer and turn off touch indicator of mouse. Now you need to click on personalization tab here and click on background. Now personalize your background from slideshow to picture or solid color. I will select it to picture here. Now you need to go back and now you need to click on themes. Here first we need to select sounds option. We are gonna optimize sound settings, and in sounds you need to change from sound scheme from Windows default to no sounds and untick play Windows startup sound. Now you need to click on communications tab and set it to do nothing. Now you need to go back to the playback and select your default device of audio, then click on properties and in enhancements tab click on disable all enhancements, click on advanced, set the default format to 2 channel 24-bit 48,000 Hz studio quality, and in exclusive mode make sure these both options are set to tick. Now hit apply and press OK. Now you need to click on recording and click on the default device of microphone that you are using, then click on advanced tab and make sure that you have selected highest default format here. In exclusive mode make sure that these both options are ticked. Now hit apply, press OK, hit apply again and press OK. Now you need to click on mouse cursor here, and in pointer options make sure that enhance pointer precision is unticked. It would be set to tick, but you need to untick this, then hit apply and press OK. Now you need to go back and click on lock screen. In personalize your lock screen, change it from Windows Spotlight or slideshow to picture here, and in lock screen status set it to none, and in here you need to untick get fun fact tips tricks and more on your lock screen. It would be set like this, you need to untick. Now go back and click on start, and here you need to turn off these three options, and now to go back and click on taskbar here and make sure that in taskbar behaviors that all of these options here are unticked. It would be ticked like this, but you need to untick. And for taskbar items and system tray icons, it's personal preference, you can turn off or turn on. It does not have any impact on performance. Now you need to go back and now you need to click on apps here. Now you need to click on installed apps. You can turn off apps in background if you want, like for Cortana nobody want this apps to running in background, so you need to click on this option here and click on advanced options, and in background apps permission change it from power optimized to never, so you can turn off the background apps here. You can set this to never for all the apps that you don't use. Like I will turn off this people app also to never, so you can turn off all the background apps here. Now you need to click on apps again. Now you need to click on optional features. Here you can uninstall some optional apps which you don't use. So I have uninstalled all of them, but I have only kept Notepad because I use this feature. Now you need to click on more Windows features here and untick Microsoft Print to PDF, untick Microsoft XPS document writer, untick print and document service. Only untick print and document if you don't use any printer on your computer. Untick remote differential compression API support and untick work folders client. So only SMB Direct and .NET framework is ticked here, and click on OK. Now you need to click on close here. Now you need to go back, and now you need to click on startup here and turn off all the apps from startup. Like I don't want Spotify, Cortana, Windows Security running on my Windows startup. Now you need to click on time and language here. Now you need to click on typing here and turn off show text suggestions, these both options. Now you need to click on typing insights here, turn off typing insights, then go back again, click on inking and typing personalization and turn off custom inking and typing dictionary. Then go back. Now you need to click on gaming and select Xbox Game Bar and turn off this Xbox Game Bar setting. Now to click on game mode and make sure that game mode is set to on. Now you need to click on accessibility tab here. Now here you need to click on magnifier, make sure it's set to off, and now you need to click on narrator here. Turn this keyboard shortcut for narrator here, and you need to scroll down and turn off get image descriptions, page styles and popular links here. And to go back, and you need to click on color filters here and turn off the color filters, and turn off keyboard shortcut for color filters also. Now you need to go on privacy and security setting. Here first you need to click on general tab, turn all of this setting to off. These all settings are collecting your data and they are being sent to Microsoft, so make sure to turn these privacy settings off. Now you need to click on diagnostics and feedback here, make sure that send optional diagnostic data is set to off, and turn off improve inking and typing, tailored experience, view diagnostic data. Turn these three settings to off. Also in feedback frequency you need to set it from automatically to never. Now you need to go back. Now you need to click on searching windows, no, not searching windows, sorry. You need to click on activity history here, turn off store my activity history on this device here. And now you need to click on search permissions, and here you need to turn off all of these settings in the search permission here. Now you need to click on location, make sure that location services are set to off. Now you need to click on voice activation to make sure that let apps access voice activation service are set to off. Now you need to click on notifications, turn off notifications. Now you need to click on radios, turn off radio settings. Now click on other devices, turn off other devices if you don't connect your computer with any Bluetooth devices. Now you need to click on app diagnostics and turn off app diagnostic access. You can turn off other settings also if you want, but I'm not turning all of these settings in this video right now. So now you can safely close the settings app here, and we need to do some settings in File Explorer. So open File Explorer here, then click on this icon, then click on options, I think, yeah, on options, and untick these three options. These three options would be set to tick, but you need to untick these settings here, then hit apply and press OK. Now we need to optimize the control panel settings. Search for control panel, open control panel. Now you need to click on ease of access, click on ease of access center, click on use the computer without a display, and make sure that all the settings here are set to off. Now to click on make the computer easier to see, make sure all the settings here are unticked, and hit apply and press OK. Now you need to click on use the computer without a mouse or keyboard, make sure all these settings here are unticked. It would be set to tick like this, make sure these are unticked, hit apply, press OK. Now you need to click on make the keyboard easier to use and untick all these options here, hit apply, press OK. Click on use the text or visual alternatives for sound here, set it to none, hit apply, press OK. Now you need to click on make it easier to focus on task, make sure all the settings here are unticked, hit apply, press OK. Now you need to click on make touch and tablets easier to use, set launching common tools to none, hit apply, press OK. So now we are done optimizing the control panel. Now we need to disable Windows search indexing. So first you need to go back to File Explorer and you have to do this step on all the drives here. Like I only have CD, but you might have E, F, G, etc. So you need to apply this step to all. So now you need to right click this drive, click on properties and make sure that allow files on this drive is unticked. It would be set to tick like this, but you need to untick here and press apply, and there will be a thing pop up. Let that thing happen, and after that is done, you need to go on the other drive, do the same thing, go to properties, untick this allow file, hit apply, press OK. It might take some time, so be patient. So after that thing is done, you need to close this and you need to open services, and you need to scroll down and search for Windows Search here. Now you need to click on Windows Search here, right click properties and set this setting to disable, then hit apply and press OK. So after doing this all optimization, make sure to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC you need to go back to the settings and click on Windows Update and make sure to update your PC. So this guide was for Windows 11 optimization for gaming and performance. So I hope that this video have helped you increase performance of your PC. So don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.